Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out a super fun and interactive toy that kids absolutely love. The Racing Rail Car Model Space Aerospace Animals Educational Track Adventure Game by Yikesong. If you're looking for something that boosts creativity, sharpens thinking, and keeps kids entertained for hours, this one's a total win.
This awesome set is made from durable ABS plastic, built for kids age 7 to 12, and comes with a full rail adventure track, clever mechanical controls, and multiple interactive challenges. Kids get to maneuver the car through different obstacles. No batteries required. It's all mechanical, all hands-on, and all fun.
Plus, it's lightweight at just around 0.7 kg, easy to assemble, and perfect as a gift, educational toy, or even a weekend play project. And the best part? Right now, it's on sale for only $11.45, down from $24.30. That's a huge 53% off.
If you want to grab one for your kid, or let's be honest, even for yourself, make sure to click the link in the description below to buy. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and of course, subscribe for more awesome tech reviews and toy breakdowns.